Wait till you see what we've got here at the Trading Post. A one owner, pearl white, brand new, and I mean new, fully loaded. This is the GT2 Kia Forte. This thing has every option in the world. And guys, I've driven it. It's fast. You're gonna love it here, and you're gonna love this Kia Forte GT2. It's got the GT alloyed wheels with the red inserts, red stitch leather, the black fine line spoiler, dual exhaust, backup sensors, backup camera, got the big TV screen on the inside, 4.2-inch touch screen. Look at your pearl white, touch to lock, blind spot monitoring, automatic cruise control, heated seats, cooled seats. This thing's got it all. Oh yeah, look at your leather. Harman Kardon stereo. Look, your red stitch leather with the GT seats. This is the real deal leather too, guys. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, racing leather steering wheels. It's got the foot pedals on the bottom. This is a bad boy right here, and we've got it. Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. No problem at the Trading Post. You can apply for this GT2 online. Get approved now. TradingPostCars.com. Click on the car, put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. Family owned and operated. 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, easy financing. TradingPostCars.com. 2020 GT2 here at the Trading Post. It's not gonna last. Where are you gonna find another one this new with this much options? Call before it's gone. The only one we've had all year. 828-464-0600 at the Trading Post Conover store.